Hi, Mark. Here it is Monday, July the 14th, start of a new trading week. US session underway now. It is 8 a.m. Eastern. That's 12 p.m. GMT. That's the afternoon portion of the European session. And let's have a look how the market is shaping up. US dollar index. I'm seeing a doji candlestick. Doji shows us some uncertainty, has tried higher, has tried lower, but back where it started. If I zoom in on the hourly to see how it got there, you can see all the way up to 97.79 resistance and has been sold off during the European session. And here we see in the past hour US dollar fighting back. Buyers will be looking to add to this green candle to the past hour, looking up at resistance 97.79. Sellers of US dollar index will be looking down at the 97.44 support area. Let's have a look how the S&P is positioned. We an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening up. So what we're looking at now is pre-market trading. It's the futures market, a gap down to start. You can see that, but trying to fight its way back. Got support at 6,260, resistance at 6,281. There's the small green candlestick, gap lower to start. Looks to be fighting back before Wall Street opens up, and we'll see how that plays out and if there's demand for equities once Wall Street's open and trading starts. Gold. Gold gapped higher to start. There's the close at 3,354. Then went on to open a new week's trading at 3,367 and went higher, got resistance at 3,374 and support at the open at the close from last week at 3,353. So that support level has been tried, resistance has been tried at 3,374, and for now looks like coming down. Let's go to the hourly. Looks like gold being sold off that little bit. There you can see from resistance, gold is being sold off 3,362. Sellers will be looking below at 3,353 or perhaps lower and could be impacted by the US dollar. If the US dollar does get sold off, we could see strong gold. If US dollar strength, the US dollar, which it's doing right now, looks to be fighting back, that could add to gold being sold off and the support being tested again. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Brent oil has been strong. There has been demand for oil. And that's certainly continuing today. You can see that. There's Friday. Look at today, pushing higher. Support at $70.31 and resistance at $71.50. Over $1 already. It's moved and moving right now and testing this resistance level. We'll see how strong that is if I go to the hourly. There you can see has been hanging around this resistance area at 71.50 and looks to be possibly giving this resistance level another test right now as the US session gets underway. Sellers will look for a bounce down off this area to look to revisit the 70.31 support area. And let's have a look at Bitcoin, which broke out, a big breakout to the upside last week, the end of last week. So last week it was a $12 move to the upside in just those 2 days. Right now, bearing in mind Bitcoin 24/7, there has been trading over the weekend and went all the way up to 123,000, 123.2 thousand. That is the current resistance level and support down at 118,000.9. Let's call it 119,000 to above 123,000. It's already moved over $4,000. There's the wick, looks to be giving up some of those gains. Let's zoom into the hourly. There you can see has turned around on the hourly from the resistance up here at 123.2 thousand, has come down sitting kind of in the middle of the range now, and it looks like buyers are perhaps stepping in, maybe a new opportunity for buyers who haven't been in the Bitcoin rally. The pullback might just offer that opportunity that buyers are looking for. Again, resistance 123.2 thousand and support all the way down at 119,000. Good trading. Keep that discipline, and I will see you at the end of day session.